Let's read the question now. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid. You are given a cylinder whose height is given, whose radius is given. From this cylinder, a cone is hollowed out of same height and radius as that of cylinder. What is the remaining surface area of the figure or the cylinder? What you have to do here? How can you find the total surface area? Total surface area means the area wherever you can paint. You can paint the CSA of cylinder 2 pi RH. You can paint on the top area, that is circular in shape, pi r square. Now you can paint on the CSA of lateral surface area of what? Cone, that is pi RL. Now L is not given. So the first step you have to find what is L. That is square root of h square plus r square. You know what is height, you know what is radius, just substitute. So L is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So total surface area, the remaining surface area of the solid is equal to pi r square, that is top area, that is pi r square, that is circular in shape. Now 2 pi RH, that is CSA of cylinder, plus lateral surface area of cone, that is pi RL. You know all the values. Substitute, then it becomes 17.6 centimeter square. Next one, a hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical block of side 7 centimeter such that the diameter of the hemisphere is equal to edge of the cube. Find the surface area of the remaining solid. You are given a cube whose side is 7 centimeter. From one side we have hollowed out a hemisphere. So you got a hemispherical depression there. You have to find out the surface area of the remaining solid. Now can you tell me what is the surface area of this solid now? The surface area of the solid is, first of all you have to find what is the total surface area of cube. You know that is 6a square. Now what you have to add? You should add what is CSA of hemisphere, where there you can paint, that is 2 pi r square. Now you have to subtract one area. What is that area? The circular depression that is made on the top of the cube, pi r square, that you have to subtract. So the surface area of the remaining solid is equal to surface area of cube minus pi r square, that is the circular region on the top, that is pi r square, plus you have to add the surface area of hemisphere. You know all the values, just substitute, then you will be getting the surface area as 332.5 centimeter square. Next one, two cones with the same base diameter 16 centimeter and height 15 centimeter are joined together along their base. Find the surface area of the shape so formed. You have two cones of the same dimensions. Its diameter is given, its height is given. It is joined end to end. Then you will be getting a figure as shown here. What is the total surface area? Total surface area of this figure is equal to 2 into lateral surface area of one cone. You know what is the formula to find lateral surface area? That is pi RL. You are not given L here. L means slant height. How can you find slant height? L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. So when you substitute, you will be getting L as 17 centimeter. Now what is the total surface area? 2 into lateral surface area of one cone. That is 2 into pi RL, because there are two cones here. So 2 into pi RL, when you substitute the values, you will be getting 854.85 centimeter square as the surface area of this solid figure. Next one, a tent is of the shape of a right circular cylinder up to a height of 3 meters and conical above it. So the bottom of the tent is cylindrical in shape and the top is conical in shape. The total height of the tent is 13.5 meter above the ground. Calculate the cost of painting the inner side of the tent at the rate of rupees 2 per square meter if the radius of the base is 14 meter. You see, you are given the radius of the base of the cylinder, that is given as 14 meter. Now what is the total height? Total height is 13.5, but what is the height of cylinder? 3.5. Now what is height of cylinder? That is 3. Then can you tell me what will be the height of the conical part? That is 13.5 minus 3, that is 10.5. Now let us find out what is slant height of cone. What is L? L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. Then you will be getting the value of L as 17.5. The question is, you have to find out what is total surface area of the tent. Total surface area of the tent is equal to the surface area of cylinder plus lateral surface area of the cone. You know what's the formula to find the CSA of cylinder? That is 2 pi RH. Lateral surface area of cone, pi RL. Now you know all the values here, and when you substitute properly, you will be getting the CSA as 1034 meter square as the total surface area of the tent. Now you have to find out what is the cost of painting. What is the cost? It is rupees 2 per square meter. What's the total area? Total area is 1034. So the total cost is equal to 1034 into 2, that is rupees 2068.